Now, for everyone that has joined Jamaican Patwa 101 here at the Hillman Talk University, your first homework assignment is this. I need you to go on YT right now, and I need you to type in Jamaican reggae music. Hear that? Jamaican reggae music from the 1960s to the 1980s. I need you to listen to the music during that time period, okay? Pick three artists that you like with three different songs that you like, and I need you to come back in this video and put it in the comment section, those three artists with those three song titles, and let me know why you like them, okay? In the following video, I will explain the lyrics of these songs and the importance and the significance that they have on Jamaican culture, reggae music, on the world stage, and on Caribbean culture, okay, and history. So remember, that is your first homework assignment. Go to YT, type in Jamaican reggae music from the 1960s to the 1980s, pick your three favorite artists, and come back on this video, comment, and let me know what those three artists are with those three songs and why you like them. And I will see you in the next class. Later.